Now we'll discuss about the land degradation, that is a major problem, as well as the conservation. What can be the conservation methods? So this we will discuss now. So let's write here, that is land degradation here. Fine, land degradation. So land degradation now we'll discuss. So here the first very important point that we must clear here, that land degradation can take place by two methods, that is because of the human factors. Two factors will be there, because of the human factors and because of the natural factors. Okay, because of the human factors and because of the natural factors. Fine. So here what can be the human factors? So first of all, human factors can be such as deforestation. Fine, deforestation is very important one. Apart from deforestation, you have the construction activities that is going on. That is apart from that, industrial development, है ना, industries. Apart from that, mining is also there. Okay, mining. So deforestation, construction, industries, mining, transportation, this all will come under the human factors. Fine, I hope this is clear to all of you. Then what will come under the natural factors? So in natural factors, what will be there, that is which is occurring naturally, है ना? So for example, you can take floods. Apart from floods, you have landslides. Okay, then overgrazing by the animals. Fine, floods, landslides, overgrazing. Then waterlogging. Suppose water is locked in one place for a long time, then it can degrade the waterlogging. Okay, so I hope that land degradation causes are clear to all of you. The two causes are there, human causes and natural causes. Fine. Now what can be the solution? What can be the solution here? So solution is very simple. You need to write just opposite of the problem. Fine. So suppose problem is deforestation, so you have to plant more trees and all. So afforestation will be the solution. Construction, you have to regulate the construction in industries. You have to do mining properly with proper rules and regulations, है ना? So this overgrazing, so you have to control over the overgrazing. Fine. So this will be the solution only. So first of all here, afforestation, है ना? Afforestation. Apart from that, the second very important one is control on overgrazing. Control on overgrazing. Afforestation, control on overgrazing. Then the next one is we have control on mining activities. Okay. Control on mining activities with proper rules and regulation they have to do. Sometimes the mining activities are done illegally with against the rules and regulations, that we have to control. Then the next one is we have to do the we can develop shelter belts. Okay, so what is shelter belts and everything I'll tell you in detail when I'll explain you about the soil conservation, है ना? So shelter belts we can do. Fine. Apart from that, we can also develop check dams. Check dams, है ना? So what is check dams? Suppose this is the your land we have here. Suppose this is the land you have. So along the land you will make the dams, like small check dams you will make. Okay, small check dams. So these are the small check dams, and here now why it is very important, because now the water will be there now, so it cannot degrade the land. Fine, these check dams will stop it. Okay, so check dams are very important here. So I hope till here in this particular way it is very clear to all of you. So land degradation is of two type, that is land degradation is happening because of two factors, human factors and natural factors. And the solutions we have also seen, that is afforestation, control on overgrazing, control on mining activities, shelter belts and check dams. Fine. So this land degradation topic is over, and now we'll start that is soil as a resource. Fine. So now we discuss soil as a resource.